Abusia asɛm no ayɛka baabi akɔduru no ani ɛyɛ yenya yɛbra Penyah Kwaku Manu and ZionFelix omu akɔka obi ɛman so omu akɔka Dubai abra USA ɛne Israel aka bomu ɛtoto akode ɛkɔ Iran ama ebi akɔfa for Dubai ho nyina no Ghana for no akɔka ho mema nkyirimu no kyerɛ wadwe ama me ɛwɔ comment section ayi Penyah block media mesra say ni demo oba like if video no that one go subscribe button some back keep notification for latest update na ba kyerɛ wadwe da ma me ɛwɔ comment section so ba so a na share for so anya bi ahwɛ also here bra Penyah Kwaku Manu ono ye businessman you know otunton perfumes any ade was a real estate developer just say oh yeah business mugu kese pa ɛwɔ Ghana ha no say adom no ɛde na ɛnanti ɔkɔ na nemu nkakra na ya na ne perfumes and ɔkɔfa no Dubai ɛba ana fito here bra Penyah ZionFelix so you know explorer tutu kwa blogger kese philanthropist tutu kwa amanfo aman so ekotwa ne me wo honom e de kire Ghana fo me nyina so enya bi ebo ani ho akonhoma na nsem ana ko bai say Israel na nsem na ko bai say USA ene Iran fo mentem wasi bia beda wo muntem ema US government ema Iran 10 days ultimatum ese omu weapons na omu pese omu ye no omu nyai enye sa America ebetu on so sa ema 10 days no so abusia ya ntia simbia because at the end of the 10 days no ya pempen ho no ene hu no say America for aye military lineup e ho ne hu say Iran for aye military lineup net akoye say adin dey aye dukadaya all that be die emabusia 10 days na no there's a clash ma clash amai menu ya clash we say abeya USA plus Israel fighting Iran, Dubai and all the Islamic countries almost fight to almost gid. Now say Ghana for bi so am for bi so Iran and Dubai these countries. Am say enwa de ma mo WhatsApp channel so ya blame videos I say akonde air fly bomb air fly said there as a channel as a movie the movie in real life bomb ni patris of air flies na emu say na Kwaku Manu tira nye on ZionFelix o makopiem ewo Dubai as na enyino ZionFelix nka oba book a flight afiri ho no atoa so akọ baabi ama Kwaku Manu say ono no akọfa perfumes abafie ababeton eni se fo fia anto ata abusuan enura chi ne ba ye say Israel and as America o maka bomu abombe Dubai airport Oma bombi Dubai airport enya asim kuma of the Kwaku Manu and ZionFelix oma ni atutu aka omonsem Kwaku Manu edin kan be kasai
ekope bibia bedio ene be ye day be kasa hoko ye day we dey me be top perfumes ya wo ha mo send a message ten me phone so connect Wi-Fi ne dia o chip wa fine so I connect to my internet wo kro me the message be ma on saka bi me de beto so na mama kan na me de ba ku bi so ato so ase hwe a bombo ba ko timi se yira akwan timi se Dubai for no kro no e ben abonsan ne kakra do me de je fans no but me se bibia be fine This be a bear fine. Oh, be a bear fine. Be no may be see. Yaminti. Mamma ye, yanko point. Be and see. Now, I must say, must send you a banner. Me, Sama say you may be done. You better dear Marco. Me cried dear. Asɛm no nhyɛ nya ya sɛ Zion de no sɛ me de me ba kro no mu na Zion hwɛ oyɛ transit Zion oyɛ transit ompo waka kro me ha me nkɔ ya onkɔ si mi ya ka kro me ha ya ka e ba cho me top perfumes 055 888 upebie 2 atonwa opa ba akomienu bia wisu a ede ya mebefi timesrew ede ya mebefi nyaminti timipa cho 055 888 Ghana for yenim hu hwe asem wo yenim hu hwe Dubai for mpo nim asem we ho hwe Dubai mpo nim hwe fawo pipa cho opes cement papa so dia eye jata cement jata cement why na ho yusu bi yete ase ye nyan we ebesi dan this way chocolate drink don't hear you so share and bacho special ice insure there 520 or diabetes pressure no one be na samensia mo so kumase take mesra mo mo to bombo no he me maye fo omunya so adwebo omuye force omuye children's omuye nkoda tiga munya de mo ye ne nkoye kurum ate better last stop FM BPSC
enu achi ana ZionFelix ebe kan ne de
is it a be my emro be my emre me wo ye Dubai airport be my emre first time I come face to face with issues like this. And on Friday 28th February 2026 now I'm supposed to fly from Dubai airport to London Stansted airport. The flight was 3 because normally everybody 2:30 na yako but about 2:40 I was sending emails say I might schedule flight me I call for something now and then I'm sorry now Iran Israel for start on no bomb no ama say Israel for to call no ma Iran for so to sa to call American bases was some of the Gulf countries now Hassan ama be Abu Dhabi be Bahrain be call other Gulf countries no njama you my actions no UAE for close omo airspace no yes they we check Emirates for app no omo latest updates they say omo close airspace no nti any company minimum was in any bit because by omo call 4:30 the email no send and omo call 4:30 and they've given list of restaurants within the airport with me akwakoje aduane like what tickets no kwa can get food to eat. When you can I mean, I never gotten to this point with someone who will be there. Now we can last year say time I'm call Australia no. I'm call Australia. I call Australia July and before that in June no. Now Israel for instance the same issue Israel Iran for talk. I think before July before my fly no. I said Trump as stepping in what coming on down me fly to Australia somewhere July and a day gonna mean and I say you cost me go both come say omunya more the same area to me bedroom na I'm gonna say e be board 2:30 about 2:30 now still no your body no gonna say about 1:30 yes I'm gonna say about 1:30 1:45 still na in go I am body it's around 2 no I'm sending emails. But she see. I'm sure say things will be calm now. You fly to London. Rapaholic 6 March. You caught Rapaholic or London. I'm sure everything will be calm for us to go. And so anything that be happening there no. The updates no. I be back. So what she see. There we come. So right now no. Dubai airport ZionFelix we want. I'm just hoping say 2:30 4:30 no makano I'm so I heard on my because the visa no a single entry and come me Dubai visa a single entry and I've crossed immigration too so I don't know what will happen in case yentini ankwa means maybe a special visa be allow and give us access to the city for us to get our accommodation. And I say be accommodation within airport now because in Turkey when I missed my flight, I don't catch any visa. So they didn't allow me to step out of the country. I had to find my own hotel in the airport, which was extremely expensive. I think I paid like 390 euros a night. First, I think first I say 690 euros. I call 350 euros or so. So I'm just hoping. I mean, if you're I'm sure they'll figure out a way. But I just want to live. But yeah, I'm fly no more. You there. I did grow. You there. Just sure say things can get down or become before 4:30 no more. As I now look at about 2:56, almost 3. In fact, like an hour and a half more. Yes, was an hour and a half more. Meeting my service of missionary. I might fly. So yeah.
Na se omna nam na no ana se omdo mutam akobom na we ni nsem a omuhia ye no omuka kire Ghana fo
Makamo chama kam
bravo mama dia kanu ye nwu ye beba ba jisika no
anu
wo se obi do kana adwunya se bibi ntu
abeje
e ba beje ni baba no ba nyame ti ase nyame nim ni ma
yo je so
oh me okay obi a me bie me perfume shop anu o Madina a me pepe no makakra akoka ho ya se no mani bia fine ti eja this month ya na bia so on se perfume aduma na aduma be mo aro but nyame ti e beko oh ye beko omo se Zion ko e hoye tin airport ni penny home obi a kacha ho ma che na metu me so che me head ako
kacha e che ko wo obi a be che security for no mo ka sa ko back
na ntomo ko kwa obi anka hwenche
obi anka me ko me bag na ya me ko first person me show or that is me called lost and found because Ghanaian obi anya adwa me ko na me say that ben no so onim me that boss no onim
ano ti sia ya ka krom ya na onim no me pa to ye bedi ana se wo krom ya ti edi agro o ko say Emirates Ama Hotel
is it Emirates Ama Hotel but the question business said so when come me say bia me dawa na hotel ka cheme say after 2 days there yoka hotel is expensive hotel
breakfast dey onye bidi me bo
and then man kompo me so dey no
na omomo wa wi ade
no as no bianca but breakfast no say ko eno omode kini mai no am ka che say breakfast e kan ho
now brother side hawati that how they forget to hotel na e kama yes you ha e kama pa baby am dey e do room cinema first time am better hands dey be ana me book e kama ba ha no en se da nye popra se baby omodo wakoto no no he pewu
no ne he me hono yakono bus wo say o my bus ne yakono as a branch afa on me hotel say what so hotel me hotel ko but my baby me that countries them say how am there ba no to be true am say no how there ba a big hotel I feel my room ni we na me ju am say no me day
e wo map mu
o map because me say o say o di ko to some hotel bi wo ho no pam den there on am say no o me target say big hotels no
ati ya pass o be wu akonto ya papa now the bomb na I do we bobo
and me dawo na mo say me phone to na ye pe
me dey no ye de gigi
e my bomb no
am see here we me metete window men until rough I do temo one temo until nyame na e bomb pa mama father mama ye Obama couple
Hey, dia goza na.
Ye jina mo bom me nsa yete
from you now ajitu
mu. Na ade a bomb bi ni me ye mpunu face to face ya. Say mesi bi atia ka.
Hey, obi ma so.
Eh? Se bi o te Ghana o na o hwe news say ha. Say enye news. Na mo wo mu a. Na ye po de yakeka me Israel for correct omo kosa asase.
Yes, oh. Now even they say me just one flight on the flight.
I can never go.
Maybe I'm going to
How the baby I'm for you to go. You bet not to swap. But Zion Yamia,
oh yeah, go.
Say how quite a woman no much than me a funny problem.
Omni problem.
I'm going
But
American business one now.
Business one it.
Yeah.
And I'm attack about be a better food money at the but
So to a toko base way. Now feel what they buy here so.
Mamma Tiro, Momon Pie. What America bompire? Santo we say, who America crab bompire? Because we conform no one so much couldn't be say. Or make my try some bomb. So I need to some make our system be on the jet bomber. Trust me. Israel or more the same system, so be room. And found a cook running. Yet the money and proud for America home. To more, yeah, main enemy. Hey! That's a main enemy. Now me go soon conform. Let me to UK crowd, you know, bompire.
UK is almost smart jet use a
smart jet. UK for Montombe view. Obey our smart jet. If you can't conform with some Mabahadia, Modi, and the bread Babamo. So wolf baby now so bad, and move go for it. Only that
I don't know some more.
So I think anybody soon.
Only that I wouldn't know, man.
I go fast and press about here. You see, I'm more the buyer you. I trouble you, partner. See, and there are some questions.
I said, you're gonna you are embassy.
I'm gonna make you more. You don't do. I'm doing the Kogana. Come on, no, there been no poor post. Papa, that one, my correct. But the men tries a Ghana measurement. I just when you're reporting from Ghana, said the Amunko baby.
I think I'm there. I have to contact BBR in case of maybe
from our bed.
Then from you're quite maybe your way. You don't make that flight. Am I?
Your mom pay the money.
Ah, Ghana embassy. I'm going to contact at all. Go.
Ukraine, BC or Ukraine, Tokwasi or Ukraine. Kobusa Ghana for it me on Bibia. Oh, the old Yamia was Domina say, Kuwait to Krabi Coca or Mount Murphy. Many a many now be as so. And partner my boss say, Namiba Puana plane am the buy. A mobile to no Sadimako. Because you see an amazing crowd. What me know she?
Yeah, flight house on the
bomb was started say boom 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 boom. Bomb a plane, a beam free Ghana. And I had the so called. If I don't watch myself. Nipa na ono so contact no. Asɛm pass.
Oh, I'm I saw the Emirates the buy. Oh, I mean, I trust Emirates because it's
I trust in the bomb.
Oh no, it's a bomb in the no, but they are almost session man. Within shortest possible time. Almost this are my accommodation. Transportation from not you and one years old. Why don't I
send more be information? I see for the mouth.
Yeah,
ready. But me say, make time for. Now says you'll be born in some cranny.
That is a bomb.
Hey, go. No, I mean, go. I play to swallow me say Emma. Send me that man who play a soon, but who play. Play. Come to you. Oh, maybe my bed 4 5 bar. Don't tell me you have them sex and meet me up.
I said,
yeah, tell me what's wrong. Maybe I'm not fine. You're checking here 4 o'clock.
AM. Number 4. Because I'm more updates on website. Say I'm my latest update 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Yeah, and I'm my latest update on what I say I'm for the concert.
Now the mom I'm sad updating.
Now, Emirates app. I okay Emirates app now. I'm update. Or says I'm close to express. You I'm to go.
Mama Kufia.
Is it another monitor? But is it one good thing is that yeah now I'm cancel flight day. I'm about to schedule to other flights in case of Omobia.
More than the money problem.
More than maybe as any amount.
Has any information be as here? You see, I said Mama Kufi. Kufi na didn't email. The folk officer check your email at the end of the day.
But I say you're situation count.
And as I never bomb in the Bekumio. Sure, Sabi. We ask man come back. My Jimmy said bomb will be coming.
I was here. You Dubai na Abekash. Me no like I'm going to the evening. It is done and to can start here on Kanche.
Oh,
get called to the 7th.
Me bomb. Nyaminti ensida. Me. Nyameti ase. Me nyanko ponti ase. Mama ye. Kwaku Manu me nyanko ponti ase. Mama bada me den chiama wate. Mama bada me den chiama. Na Zion. Ye nyanwu yo. She. Ye nyanwu yo. owo kura nim see ni list because you won fi bi esi di ansa na ya de yakọ na me de bom hwe ye nkura
What you be ala?
say ade bi say me nya omo no ma ho meti omo woni pa sa kese fo okuro ya
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section bi ko be bibia bedi e de bi ko ye dai e nenam aha ye Penyah Block Media.